Hey, what's up everyone, it's ISSAC here, welcome back. So before this tutorial, please support my channel and hit on the bell and you will never miss my new videos. In this tutorial, I would like to share how to do the natural snake back hairstyle, also the tips. Hope you guys like it. Wait, I suggest you to get this haircut for the snake back because the sweat hairstyle need the right haircut.
I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. I want it one more time. I really need to make it right. Energy I overdose, cause I'm ready to reload. I need it one more time, but baby then again twice. But I don't know if I'm ready to let go. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna hit it one more night with you, with you. I am committed cause I know it's you I want. Hope I never see you go home. Oh, come along.
I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna have you one more night.
I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. Ooh, this time I wanna take it slow. I don't need my phone. I know how to picture in my mind the nights with you. I'm ready to enjoy the ride. I don't wanna die, but I could die in your arms, cause I don't need to live forever. And I don't need to live forever. Cause I don't. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line.
Hey bro, I wish these videos can save your life. Also, if you have any questions, just comment down below. I will try to reply your question when I'm free. And don't forget to follow on my Instagram at ISSAC YIU. Hope you guys love these videos and I will see you guys on my next videos. Peace.